Hello and welcome back to yet another episode where we are going to discuss chocolate business idea number two that you can start from home. And let us look at this. So, before that, like if you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you do not miss our next video when it is released. So, today we are going to talk about the home-based chocolate business idea number two, which is Artisan Truffles. You can earn 1 lakh plus a month with handmade premium artisan truffles. So artisan truffles, if you know, they are small, decadent, and elegant treats that can be customized for gifting or indulgence. And this particular business thrives on creativity, premium quality, and attractive presentation. So this does not require a huge investment or any fancy tools or equipments. You can start with a very low capital that includes utensils and costing to 20,000 to 25,000 max, and the raw materials for another 12 to 15,000 a month, and the licenses is one time. If you have already taken FSSA registration, well and good. If you haven't, it just cost 500 rupees for 1 year. And only if you are going for paid advertisements, it will cost you more. Otherwise, you can leverage your social media platforms and online and offline uh, groups and forums that you are a member of, and also uh, get into collaboration with other businesses for marketing your uh, artisan truffles. Now, here you can make standard truffles that you can sell for 40 to 60 rupees per piece, or you can opt to make premium or artisan truffle, which you can sell anywhere from 100 rupees and above. And the production cost is very less. Um, for a standard truffle, it might come to 20 rupees, and for premium truffles, uh, 40 to 80 rupees per piece. Now, if you are selling, say, like 2,000 standard truffles per month at the rate of 50 rupees, you can earn a revenue of 1 lakh rupees. And if you are able to sell 3,000 standard truffles a month, you can make 1.5 lakh rupees a month. In case if you are selling premium artisan truffles, let us assume you are selling 1,000 premium truffles per month at the rate of 100 rupees, which is a very average price point for a truffle. You can easily make 1 lakh revenue. If you are able to sell 2,000 premium truffles a month, your revenue would be 2 lakh rupees. I'll quickly share the profitability table so that you get a better idea on what exactly I'm talking. This is not a huge thing or unachievable thing as you think. See, if you look at this table, if you are able to sell 2,000 standard truffles, your revenue would be 1 lakh. where the total expense would come to around 40,000 and you can make a profit of 60,000 rupees a month on that. If you're able to sell 3,000 standard truffles, then your revenue would increase to 1.5 lakh rupees with a profit of 90,000 on it. If you're able to sell 1,000 pieces of premium or artisan truffles, then again your revenue will touch 1 lakh. And for a month where you are able to sell 2,000 premium truffles, then your revenue will touch 2 lakh rupees a month. So see, one main question which I get is like, where can I sell and where can I find people who are ready to buy artisan truffles or premium truffles? See, the ideal target audience for this particular category would be urban or semi-urban areas with higher disposable income. So you can focus on young professionals, gift buyers, and corporate clients. You can leverage your social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase your creations. Partner with local gift shops, wedding planners, event managers, and other businesses like cafes and boutiques, and go for cross promotion. We teach all these marketing strategies in detail inside our Chocolate Business Accelerator program, which is available in three different versions. One is a do-it-yourself course, another a group coaching, and a one-to-one coaching. So, artisan truffle chocolate business idea is having a lot of potential because of the demand that exists during festivals, weddings, corporate events. And if you can go for unique designs and flavors and packaging, then there are people who are ready to buy this at a premium pricing. And if you are pricing it premium, then even if the sales volume is less, you will get a substantial earning. So my humble suggestion is you start for under 30,000 rupees and scale the growth based on the opportunities, what you have, and the experience, what you gain, both in making the artisan truffles and also handling the business management part. Because in 85 percentage cases, what I have seen is people struggle the most with the business management part of whether you are running it as a side business, home-based business, a small unit, or an outlet, online, offline, whatever model you are selecting. 85% of people, they struggle with the business management part. And that is one reason why we have included A to Z of the business management part inside our chocolate accelerator. And even in the chocolate making workshops, we teach more on giving the confidence to start the business rather than on the complexity of the recipes. Because my policy is to keep the whole chocolate making easy and simple for women or men for that matter to start easily with the confidence that even with the basic chocolate making knowledge, you can go and start your business and earn anywhere from 20,000 rupees to 1 lakh with the basic thing. So if you are an expert at making artisan truffles or premium truffles or bonbons for that matter, then the potential of earning is very high. And with consistent marketing and production, you can earn an average revenue of 1 lakh to 2 lakhs per month by selling just 1,000 to 2,000 truffles a month. So take that first step today. See, don't wait for the right opportunity to come for starting the business. You just start with whatever knowledge you have currently and turn your passion for chocolates into a profitable business. So whether you are selling standard truffles or premium truffles, it does not matter. This home-based idea offers endless opportunities to grow and scale your venture. You can grow and scale your business later and get more expertise at making chocolates. So if you are interested in getting the details of this particular home-based chocolate business idea, comment Artisan Truffles and I will send you the details.